Hi, so let's find out how the Organic Keyword Hunt tab under searchads.com can help you to find new keywords to focus on your Apple Search Ads campaigns. So the Organic Keyword Hunt tab shows you all of the keywords an app is ranking organically so that you can start from the most valuable keywords of an app. You can filter based on the ranking spots, so you can only choose to see the keywords that they rank number 1 or in the top 5 or in the top 10, in the top 50. This depends on the extent of your campaigns. And you can also see these organic keyword metrics down here. So you're able to see the search score, also called as the search popularity, the ranking difficulty or the chance, the current ranking, and the previous day's ranking. After you have selected through these keywords, you can filter them based on these rankings or order them based on, let's say, the search popularity, and then you can start instantly running ads on these keywords by just adding them to your keyword cart, and then you hit on run ads, and then you start to run ads on these keywords. This is a very quick way of finding potentially good keywords that will convert well and bring high ARPU users to your app.